In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your LG TV. This way it will delete absolutely everything, your account, your apps, and your TV will be as new. So how to do this? Take your remote control, even if it does not look like mine, and you need to press on the settings button, the cogwheel that is right over here. On some other LG remote control, this setting button is over here. You need to click once on that. Once you do this, on the left side you're going to have a menu, maybe on the right side in your case. Anyway, you need to go all the way down where you have the three little dots. So I'll go down and select all settings. Then from here we're going to go down and select general. Once you select general in this menu, we need to go down and select system. And finally, go down and select reset to initial settings. Press once on it. And then you have multiple options over here. But if you do want to make a factory reset, so delete everything, you need to select the first option, which is reset all. And once you do this, the TV will take a few seconds, maybe a minute, it will shut down, turn back on, and everything will be resetted. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.